Welcome to the manufacturing process lab. This lab actually designed for the 5th semester students. So the experiments which we are going to perform are: number 1, to make a 2-jaw open end spanner; number 2, to make a ball peen hammers; number 3, to make a combination pliers; number 4, to make a screwdriver; and number 5, to make a stretch tips. Now we are going to show the making procedures of each of the experiment. Now we'll proceed for the first experiment, which is to make a 2-jaw open end spanner. For this, we are taking mild steel workpiece, flat mild steel workpiece. We are taking to make the 2-jaw open end spanner. The required tools were one measuring tool. We are using steel rule, vernier caliper. Marking tool, we are using scriber, dot punch, center punch, caliper, tri-square. The work welding tool is bench vise. Cutting tool is hacksaw, end mill cutter. Finishing tool, rough cut file, smooth cut file, triangular file, square file, half round file, round file. Striking tool is ball peen hammer. Machining tool is adjustable spanner, C spanner, vise handle, sack key, tool push key, surface gauge, plane milling, spirit level. Now the next step is the working procedure. So working procedure for this, what we are taking a one piece of mild steel workpiece. Then we measure and mark the workpiece with proper design. It is shown in there. Accordingly, these designs we are planning to make the 2-jaw open spanners. So for this, first we have to clean the surfaces workpiece and maintain the flatness. Then, according to the dimension, we are removing the unwanted metal from the workpiece with the cutting tool. After getting the outer design of the spanner, we then ground it with the peristyle grinder machine. The grinder machine is shown here. This is the peristyle grinder machine. We are smoothing the surface using this grinder machine. Now we have to make the required size of the slot on the both ends of the spanner. For this, we have to drill the both ends of the spanner, and then the unwanted material is being removed by the help of hacksaw. So we are showing these tools after a little while. After that, some smooth filing is being carried out to maintain the uniformity of the spanner. So drilling slot has been made using this radial drilling machine. As you can see that it is going downward to make drill. This one is the universal milling machine. As you can show, this machine is the running condition. So the slot which we are making for in both this upper and lower part, you can see this slot we are making using this universal milling machine. So these are the slots, and this slot is being used for the gripping purposes. Then after all the operation performed, so we are finally able to find this workpiece which is like this. So these two workpieces we are showing here. So these are some different diagrams. So using all these procedures, whatever we have shown here till now, so different dimensions of the 2-end spanner can be made. Types of tool used for marking, measuring and cutting we are showing here. This one is scriber, this one is a tri-square, this one is dot punch, this one is hacksaw, these are the files, these are this one is drill bit, this one is ball peen hammer, this one is your steel rule, and this one is vernier caliper. So all these tools are used for different purposes, for marking, measuring and cutting.